Welcome to a new era of industrial vision technology. In the world of manufacturing, precision is paramount. But what if we told you there's a revolutionary AI solution called supervision? Imagine visual inspections with unparalleled accuracy and speed. Gone are the days of human error in industrial quality control. With supervision, every detail is scrutinized with AI precision. This cutting-edge technology is reshaping the landscape of industrial vision systems. From defect detection to product quality assurance, supervision, visit all. Say goodbye to manual inspections and hello to AI-powered efficiency. The future of industrial vision is here, and it's intelligent. Experience the power of supervision in transforming manufacturing processes. Witness how AI is revolutionizing visual inspections in real time. Join us in exploring the limitless possibilities of supervision in industry. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest AI innovations and trends. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tech trends content.